Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the mobile number and SIM linked to your Easypaisa account. This prevents mismatched logins. Once done, open the Easypaisa app or dial the UST code *786# if you prefer not to use data. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version and have your PIN or fingerprint ready for authentication. This speeds the process and avoids interruptions from security prompts, so you can move straight to viewing transactions without delays. You now navigate to the transaction area. In the app, tap Profile, then Transactions or Activity. If you are on UST, choose the Transaction History or Mini Statement option. Use the date filter to narrow to the period you need, and apply type filters for sent, received, or bill payments so results are manageable. Once filtered, scroll to review details like amounts, dates, and reference ID. Make sure to note any unfamiliar entries before exporting or taking screenshots for records. Finish by exporting the filtered statement or capturing screenshots. Save these to a secure folder or cloud backup so you can refer back. You should verify each transaction's reference ID, amount, and timestamp against receipts or bank records to confirm accuracy. If a transaction is missing or incorrect, gather your screenshots and details, then contact Easypaisa support through the app or helpline. Provide reference ID and timestamps to speed resolution. A key tip: restart the app and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.